Remakeup the Achui Kamataya Poping NEC with Golden Jubilee Gazip Kupsanghaira Egg is policy Maningla Ara Egg fast for Nordisk Kachili Rin Kawai PM na Katonghaira Indian Association of Tour Operators Kazipli Manipur Tourism na Award Sampanghaira Lake Hangator, Ajat Tangkhul Express Pau, Thangmeiring Chodang in a Pamidale, Paubing Mesaina Nganang Rumsa. Northeast Council with Golden Jubilee Aya Shilongli Mionda, PM Moti Aina, Union Home and Cooperation Minister Amit Shah Wagzang Sampanga. Dignitaries being Meghalaya with Governor Brigadier Dr. B.D. Mishra, Meghalaya with Chief Minister Conrad Sangma, Union Minister G. Kishan Reddy, Giren Rijiju Kala Sarbanada Sanowal, Union Minister of State B.L. Verma, Manipur CM N. Piran Singh, Mizoram with CM Zoramthanga, Assam with CM Hemanta Biswa Sharma, Nagaland with CM Nefirio Kala Sikkim, Arunachal Pradesh, Tripura with Chief Minister Bingla NEC Golden Jubilee Kazip Chili Wazanga. Union Minister na Gahang Northeast Council na Tsingum Hang Panga Otsara Gahaili Prime Minister Narendra Modi na Mia Kangai Pongshokaira Kala Rakra Tsingum Magada Pangawe Alungli Northeastly Rekasang Hakasang Kwira Kawai Blueprint Yakshokta Ngururi Kahai Ningrin Leilukji PM na Hanghai Rajia Shana Modi Shogali Soda Gahang Reader Northeast we fund name makeup kachi Pomli Matashung Samana La Motina Prime Minister Kasawi Ena Kung Washungda Rekasang Kwira Dalida Hangsanga Prime Minister na Northeast Kamataya Sada Kwida Chadrag Hai Zingum Jishadwi Alung Hili PM Moti na Northeastly Hang Pangashi Langda Unghaira La Ministers being Northeastly Kung Shamati Shilang Haira da Shana Hanga Union Home and Cooperation Minister na Gahang Reader Northeast Council we fund ngachapta lesai ka Prime Minister na Yangmida Northeastly project ka central level kwikadale infrastructure mathama imaman uda Northeast with tourism la small industry educational institution kala sports related institution la mathama haira da hangsanga Kazip Chili BM Moti na Gahang India with Union Shogarhi look is policy we ena act is ngachei gukhui atamla makan haira ara policy ji act fast for Northeast La Act First for Northeast Ngusahira the Prime Minister Narendra Modi Nahanga. Northeast State Chishadhi Northeast Pum Resang Haksang Kwai Pakra Chishad Nagji Foundation Billerji Chingri Gahai Power Tourism 5G Connectivity Ngishan Nature Farming Ngreong Han Kala Kapa Kwira Kapai Apong Potential Wivang Otsaki Jina the PM na Kasatsanga. Manipur Tourism na IATO Best Booster Award Sampanghaira State Government Award 2022 J Indian Association of Tour Operators Annual Convention Li Mishoka 37 Annual Edition Kazip J Lucknow Li Rungmida Aju Kupsangra Jili Manipur wi Mingning Sada Manipur Tourism Director W. Ibohal Singh na Thanaga Tourism Corporation of Manipur Limited wi officials being Aina Tour Operators being Wazanga Kazip Chile Uttar Pradesh with Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath na Masowa Sara Award chi W. Ipohal Singh ni Ngaranmiya. IATO na Machut Kami wi Ringapa Pongshokta Award Sang Kapangchina State Promote Kasale Lungsangmai Hotna Khangai ning Kasatmiya da W. Ipohal Singh na Hanga. IATO Annual Convention hi India with Travel Events Matai Makeup Kachi Ngasaya. Yukru Wilders Club na Mokokami Kapanga Winter Open Basketball Tournament wi Akai Akasara Aya Exhibition Match Kuigahaira. Match Jili Wilders Club wi Shanau Team Aina Manipur Women's State Basketball Team Ngreoda Manipur Women's State Basketball Team na Yuhaira. Ang ran ang Jili Manipur Basketball Association wi officials pingla Wazanga. Open Basketball Tournament ji Aya Kupsanghaina Final Match li Jinga Matak Young Learners Club CYLC A and CYLC B Ngreoda CYLC B na Yuhaira. Final Ngahanjili Most Valued Players Award mi Kani Tudu Chongtham Aina Walter Kongchengpam Anina Sampanga. Dancing crew Jumping Pirates na makok mida aja yukruli how hop koho open choreo dance ngahan aina musical night room mi gida ledale. Jumping Pirates si 2014 kum sem gukui dance group akana group chile shinau khani mayarnau trada gatumda members trada phanga zanga. Jumping Pirates na pau mikrak ligahang ashiwi how hop ngahan kazipi dance musical arts aina yaririni kapha khangache kurak vai ningrin aina quick shock na. Ngahan kuyu wi saman lupa tingishat aina lupa shapanga wi man voucher kakhanyale lupa tingphanga aina lupa shapanga man wi voucher kala kagatumale lupa tingkhani aina ngsoda lupa tingka man wi voucher mi gidale dale how hop kazip chile Jumping Pirates na dance sagaji theimang maningla rock shot yershim ungsek winso chamroy atumlala saki gchili changdale ngahan juwi mushun makui jinauso as ningpen kala mung rv atumna yangmira how hop che yukur down holy ajung shun pung akali hapokra kazip chili rap aina beatbox la saji thera coffee kalem aina mira kala athai lo shai khwai stalls la show mira da hanga how hop we maram kup mai thai khwai 9366383318 li ngahan wa paira Jumping Pirates we how hop ngahan ranye wivang 25 degree north the palace music and grill Gracious Restaurant 1718 Messenger Sound Kala 7 Institute Atumbina sponsor Samia FIFA World Cup Kayang Tangkhul lehale lumlaw phup kupsanghaira ayang ya World Cup final France aina Argentina ngatakta mighaya chamuya lungli Argentina kala France na langkai kathumrip changhoda tiebreaker tying rokta Argentina na langkai meti kala France na langkai khanida Argentina na maikya ngsaira ije chawi ningchang khang rock team ni sakchangda gohong rockta kai khawiwang ka khanang ning makdun la kai khawiwang ning khamachan hangkhwai malela kupsang rokhaira yariwi ning sang thaimi da final match district administration na Ukru district forest office complex li public screening samia Langtang community hall aina Kamchong town hall la chithada yariwang final match chithei mi papama 2022 Kanchute World Cup khayuya na saman lupa $42 million sampang la runners up na $30 million sampang gigchina Qatar wili khangreu FIFA World Cup with third place ajahon thang Morocco and Croatia ngreu da Croatia na yuhawa Pakistan with Foreign Minister Bilawa Bhutto Zardari with Chanpur li India na makamaya panglak aina pangshok ka hai chili Pakistan with Minister akana India li adom pom aina machithaira Bilawa Bhutto na Prime Minister Narendra Modi li Gujarat Bachar hoda chaigo khuili India na nghan da Pakistan with nem khamatai maga gashung otsakna da ajahon thang BJP na thanda Bhutto li makamaya nationwide protest saira Arab Pakistan People's Party leader Shazia Marina Pakistan wili atom bomb layer kachi hangda threaten saira Pakistan with nuclear status chi kasaina ka pom khawai maning mana tarkar ka sa tharan ngahan gara da Shazia na hangsanga Ajahon United Nations Security Council session we gazibli Pakistan na terrorism rungboma da India na kahangni ngahan ka kasara Bilawa Bhutto na India we RSS hi Hitler we SS aina Shugukhuina kachi hang la 2002 Gujarat riot ochochi motina shokang sak thada mutuyukhida India na makamia phong shokna Panit Panau Atamrao da Manipur we kapung noping Imphal khong khwa kasale Ziliang Rong Union Imphal zone na ngchon mira jhaira ZU na gachishat atishuda organization china volunteer juhoda hill areas we miping Christmas kumthar kala gangai Panit wiwang Imphali ota kwe khung khwale ngchon mira ZU na gahang Panit Panau Atam hili kapung nau Imphali ota ka khwili problem ngatai de da sangapang leya Khalig lupa khaw sut kukui lo otman henda kukui higata hi sidili muzat khagasai pingni advantage kukui lekaba che phaning mida ZU Imphal zone na Imphal we khambataya abang ngatai dali volunteers achui ena haimi phokta tharau tari kathum thang aina tangda ngachon barajia Lake Lonping taxi service kala CSOs pingnela katomi khwai ZU na kabosaya Ziliang Rong Union Imphal zone volunteer na ngachon commuter kar kasa pingna ZU Imphal zone chairman li 9856671979 maninga ka general secretary li 7005184860 li ngahan wa baira la luda achu wi khamata ya pawping NEC with Golden Jubilee Gazip Kupsanghaira. Act is policy maningla ara act fast for Northeast Kachili Rin Kawai PM na Katongaira. Indian Association of Tour Operators Kazipli Manipur Tourism na award Sampanghaira. Aju Pau Heling Janghaira, Pau Nada Clean the Tumsai Kurali Ringapagala, Kamaya Zimishong Saseranum.